Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the mouse pointer when you're typing on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up in the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select Large Icons. And then you want to select Mouse. You want to select the Pointer Options tab at the top. And then where it says Hide Pointer While Typing, you can go ahead and check mark that if you want to hide it while typing, or conversely uncheck it if you do not want to hide the mouse pointer while typing. And then select Apply and OK to save your selection. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.